Image-based part classification is transforming quality control and manufacturing in mechanical engineering. It uses artificial intelligence to automatically inspect and categorize mechanical components based on visual data. The process begins with image acquisition. High-resolution cameras capture images of parts, often as they move along a conveyor belt. This provides the raw visual data for analysis. Next, the acquired images undergo pre-processing. This involves steps like resizing, normalization, and augmentation to prepare the data for the AI model and enhance its learning capabilities. Feature extraction is typically performed by convolutional neural networks, or CNNs. These powerful deep learning models automatically learn to identify complex patterns and features within the images, such as edges, textures, and shapes, which are crucial for classification. The extracted features are then fed into a classification model, which is trained on a large dataset of labeled images. During training, the model learns to distinguish between different part categories, such as good or defective. Once trained, the image-based classification system can be deployed in real-time applications. It continuously monitors parts on the assembly line, instantly classifying each one and providing immediate feedback for automated sorting or rejection. The benefits are significant: faster inspection speeds, higher accuracy compared to manual methods, and full automation, reducing human error and labor costs. This leads to improved product quality and manufacturing efficiency. In conclusion, image-based part classification, powered by AI/ML, is revolutionizing quality control in mechanical engineering, ensuring high standards and driving the future of automated manufacturing.